Hello and welcome to another update video about Jasmy. Jasmy today, one of the winners of the day, 22% up, at least according to TradingView. Did reverse in my support zone that I communicated and is moving in line with forecast, which is good to see that this pattern is playing out. I suggested to you only yesterday or a couple of days ago that this third wave here should get one more high. It didn't change anything in the wave count. I, however, have now moved up the support area a little bit. It was here before. You see the price turned around where it needed to be, even though this was already the measured support area for the main fourth wave, for the larger pullback, because I couldn't rule out that we were already in the larger pullback, because this move up did already what it needed to do Fibonacci-wise, Fibonacci extension-wise. However, looking at the microstructure, I wanted to see one more high in wave 3, okay? And we seem to see that at the moment, and I have already adjusted, as I said, the support area higher, because the next pullback, and I'll shift it over now, will be this main wave 4, at least in my interpretation, and then we should still get one more high in wave 5. We are heading closer to my target, which I communicated yesterday or a couple of days ago in the last video. I also put an update out on X a few days ago or yesterday. Feel free to follow us here as well, for additional updates. You will find the link in the description. Just make sure you follow the correct account. And by the way, we lost our blue check mark because it changed the name slightly, but that will come back. So don't get confused there. Just make sure that you follow the correct account. There are impersonators. I'm just trying to scroll back to the Jasmy update. But yeah, what did we say a couple of days ago? The support region, click on it. The support region remains between 2.08 cents and 2.55 cents, and the price should reach 3.66 to 4 cents in wave 5 ideally. So we're heading closer to that next upside target. As you can see here on the chart, one more wave up in wave 3 was missing. There was a more detailed update, I think a couple of days or 3 days ago for gold members as well, but I made a video as well, so it's all there anyway. So everybody should be prepared about this move. Yeah, just make sure that you follow us here as well for additional updates. By the way, before I forget, there's a poll now. Again, I will update or I will analyze one coin of this poll, the winner obviously, specifically on X on Saturday probably, okay? So if you check it out, it won't be on YouTube. Yeah, and so what does that, where are we now in this wave 5 of 3? So I think what we should do, we should identify additional fib levels here in the microstructure and structural resistances that could tell us where the price might find resistance. I don't think there are any significant structural resistances anywhere. Above here, up there around 5 cents, that's quite far away. Don't think there's anything else there structurally that sticks really out, but Fibonacci is here to guide us. Well, not him personally, you know what I mean. Looking at the microstructure, what we can do, we can measure waves 1 to 3, then go to the low of the wave 4. And normally what we're looking for is the 61.8 extension as one ideal target. That's at 3.32 cents. So that's the key level. Above that level, I've got 3.6 cents, which would be the next upside target, and then 4 cents. I would pay attention to these. This wave 5 of 3 should finish there, or I need to change the wave count. But again, I'm not going to call a top in place until I see evidence for it. So I would not try to guess where this rally finishes. But, the nearest support that I can offer is at 2.16 cents now. Okay, so because this wave 4, we have to allow it to come down to that level. Actually, actually it's 2.33 cents because this seems to be an impulse, especially with the latest high. So I'll leave it as the 50% fib level. So the support is a bit closer. It just indicates that if we break below that level, it's certainly not an impulse. I mean, yeah, it could then morph into a diagonal, but or you know what, maybe I'll show it, the 61.8 fib level, but I've already added it as a text there. Ideally holds here for an impulse. Okay, and then down there, that would be support for a diagonal pattern. When can we say that this rally is over? I mean, it's, you know, this is where micro counting is obviously unreliable, but it looks to me it might need one more high. So we have a 1, 2, 3. This could get one more high in wave 4, and then, I mean, higher low in wave 4, and then another higher high in wave 5. So it could probably isn't finished yet, okay? And earliest indication that this wave 5 of 3 is over would be a break below the 50% FIB level. That's basically initial signal support, and that is at 2.78 cents. So that's initial top signal, yeah? It's basically this level. Actually, you just need to make sure that it's sort of on the right. Yeah. That should give you everything you need to know, actually. So I hope you liked the update. Hopefully the previous updates were helpful. If you liked it, then please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.